lovies. So I wanted to pop on today and do this video with you guys. I'm actually in the process of pre-pooing my hair. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I do it. But first, let me show y'all my pre-poo. And if y'all haven't checked out my video with my staple products, this product was actually in that video, but I want you to go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it in the icons up above, okay? So this is the pre-poo that I'm currently using. African Pride, Aloe and Coconut Water, Detangle, and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Like I said in that previous video, this is my staple. I love this product. It detangles my hair very well. So as you can see, I did this section, these two in the back, and I just have this last section to go, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do on camera with you guys. Let me just also say welcome to those of you that are new here. I hope you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? And also check out my playlist. So let's get started. I'm gonna put some music on while I do this, and then I'll pop back in and talk to you at the end, okay? See you soon.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my.
So that's it, guys. That's my pre-poo session. I usually leave this on my hair for a couple of minutes, and then I go ahead and I wash it out with my shampoo and my conditioner. Okay, so that's the pre-poo that I use. Go ahead and take another shot at it. I ask that you go ahead and give it a try. It is really, really good, y'all. Leave me a comment down below. If you actually use a pre-poo for your hair, let me know which one you use. Let me know how you feel about it, if it's really good. And I'll probably go ahead and check it out. But as of right now, this one seems to be working really, really well for my hair. And if you don't have a pre-poo in your arsenal or in your collection, you might want to go ahead and reach for this African Pride one. It's really good. I'm not sponsored by them, but this one is a really good one, okay? So just leave me a comment down below letting me know what you do. How do you pre-poo your hair? Do you use an oil? Do you just use regular conditioner? Or do you actually use a pre-poo conditioner specifically for pre-poo? Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.